In this era of metropolitan dystopia, if we want to be rich, we have to make a business. The logic is, we all know the same. The difficult level of finding a job may be as same as difficult as starting of a business. We apply for job in here and there and never got accepted. That's the same as starting a business. Maybe in the first 3 months we didn't break the sales closing. From here, I have an opinion. If we start from the beginning just the same as difficult, then why do we have to work when we can become the entrepreneur? The initial start is the same, but when we get the output is like a sky and the earth. You know, the personal manager or human development section, very few revise the work resource. The company is more focused on revising the financial department, looking at each transaction flow rather than raising the position of its employees. For this example alone, we already know there is a huge limit to hinder your salary growth. If we turn to entrepreneur, we are playing at risk. How much capital, how much to sell, and how much to get. Of course, we have to design our sales system to keep updated and stable to survive in the market. But in this way, we don't just get a minimum income. Here, the difference really far away. We are no longer rationing, but the consequence is that ourselves have to boost this income. Then, how to do? There are several steps of entrepreneur level. The first step, we must be able to balance income. So every income and expenditure isn't have a huge gap every month. You must first know each element of the item you are selling, the market interest and the development. Record every expense and income you make in your line of business. Make it more efficient, and remaining efficiency fund you can add to other innovation. Focus on this pattern first. If everything is balanced, then I will go to the second stage. In the level 2, you focus on expansion. In conventional business, expansion is identical to opening branch, property, and etc. Open new shop, house, boat, and employee. But it's contrast from now. At this time, expansion can be done with a variety of variables, which of course has a large traffic. We have to do branding. Branding is not the sense of the word label or logo who printed on our packaging and texted, "This is my company. This is I have quality." It's very old, bro. Branding here is how we can be really close to consumer, like being able to talk to them directly, answer their complaint, influence talent of people is needed in here. You have to use social media such as YouTube, TikTok, or Snapchat, and etc. And you must make it unique, because nowadays it's all there. You have to look different if you want to be seen and sell in the market. This is where you need creativity in your rebranding. When all these things are done, then directly expansion has occurred, and when that's happened, then you deserve to enter the third stage. At this third stage, the company you own is required to have a fast innovation power so that it's always surprise the market. Your focus here is to keep everyone looking at you. Don't let your existence look boring in front of them. You have to use manipulation technique that continue to amaze the public. Here you need some smart people as your right hand. You can't walk alone, because something amazing must haven't come from many clever men head or come from one crazy man head. And by using their power, you can become a market leader. And when you can get it, you can move to the point 4. At the level 4, you already have any trusted people who are in your business. That what you need is how to exit, how to realize your business that has this great valuation. Of course, you still have to be in control of it. And this is how to make a business. Maybe this to most people look like a merry fantasy, but keep in mind one thing: babies will never be able to stand up if they are not taught by their parents. Likewise with you, If you close access to become a businessman, then that's how long you will not be able to do a business. While you can learn to do business anywhere, including in my video. I'm not discussing specifically how to do a property business or how to become a cigarette producer, but I will give you an access subconsciously how to make you have a resilient entrepreneur mentally, always quick to change, how to treat others like be it friend, partner, bosses, supplier, employer, and etc. Which unconsciously, if you have the variable above, you can really be guaranteed to be an excellent businessman. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.